Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters here in Junction City, Oregon. Yep, Gary.Christiance, the van guy, bringing you more vans. Hard to find Pleasureway XL wide body, 2012, 20 feet long. And what's so nice about this unit, you might ask? Well, it's a wide body. It's got a little extra room. King bed in the back. Come on inside, let's take a look. So right now I've got it folded down into a twin, and then you can fill this in with the cushions and make a king size bed. Touch of a switch, it comes up in the couch position with two forward facing seat belts. Of course, ultra leather, memory foam. And this closet door here opens up so you have full access clear in the back for additional storage, as well as on both sides. So this adds, for a real short van, a lot of additional storage. It's got a flip top counter extension here to the solid surface countertop. Old school, it's got a cabinet door. Get it open all the way. So this TV swings all the way around, so you can turn both seats around, utilize it for your entertainment center for the front or for the rear. And there's a little storage area in here. DVD, it's got all the hookups here in the back. Thermostats here for temperature, for heat and cooling. Fantastic fan up above. Recessed 2-burner stove. Undermount counter sink. All stainless steel behind. Got a domestic refrigerator with a freezer up on top. 3 drawers. This is your furnace. Now that's a heat pump in the back, so you've got heat and air conditioning. When it gets really cold, you'll revert back to the propane. Gorgeous bathroom. Because it's a wide body, it's a few inches wider, and it does give a nicer bathroom, vanity, sink, medicine cabinet. And of course, here is your wardrobe closet. So this is the table top for the rear, tabletop for the front. Hanging space, and then there's a big storage area all the way on top. When we sold this, we installed a brand new Onan generator. It's got 8 hours on it. Very nice condition, Ford V8, automatic transmission, power windows locks, tilt cruise, CD player up front. It does have an aftermarket backup camera that you can unplug when you're not using it. That the customer put in. Turn the lights off, and when I come out, I always turn out and around. That way you don't hit your head, you don't slip on the running board. Both seats turn around. Let's recline this up. So they just swing around real easy, as well as the driver's seat. Very comfortable. Plenty of room for cups, storage up front. 1-ton chassis. Got a little teeny storage area on both sides, and that's because here in the back you've got all this storage area underneath the couch. That is more accessible either from the inside or outside than if you had bigger side storage areas, which is what they used to do. Now you can look at the bumper and you can see the 2 little nozzles coming down. Those are built-in airbags. They're right here. So you can lift this up, change the load. If it's riding a little soft, you can pump it up, make it a firmer ride. This is where they split it apart to stretch the bumper out to make the wide body. This doesn't currently have a receiver hitch. But all we do is drop the spare down, bolt it in, and put the spare back, and you're good to go. So that's very easy. Over on this side, you've got your hot water heater, direct spark ignition, your water fill, your sewer hose. Here's your propane fill. Your shore cord hookup is here. On and off valve for your propane, cable, city water. Gray and black handles are real easy to get. Outdoor shower. Uses regular gas, and where it should be The generator exhaust is right behind the generator, which in this unit is located up front, so your generator is not sitting underneath your bed. So at nighttime, if you have to run it, you don't have the buzzing right underneath your head. Most popular selling van that they ever had at Pleasure Way until Ford discontinued the chassis in 2013 and developed into the Ford Transit. I know you're scratching your head, you got a couple questions. Well, who else would you call but the van guy? You can call me direct at 541-554-9581. My email's on the screen. I'm on Facebook. Go to the van guy. Thanks for your time.